Welcome to Know Your Mobile. It's Basil here at the Firefox stand at MWC 2013. It's absolutely heaving here, and that's because of this little thing. Well, and what's inside. This is a ZTE Open, the first Firefox OS phone. Alcatel will also be releasing a Firefox OS phone, but this is the one that everyone's been getting their hands on here. Now, there's a lot of really great stuff inside the phone. We're going to kick things off by just talking about the design, and you can see it's a really fun form factor. Orange, bright, vibrant. On the left side's a volume rocket, down below a micro USB port. On the right hand side, no buttons at all, and up top is just that power button and 3.5mm headphone jack. Flipping it around, and you have got your rear facing camera and a loudspeaker. As you can see at the bottom, an insignia powered by Firefox OS. So this looks really great off the cuff. Like we said, fun, vibrant little phone. But we're not in a position to talk you through the UI. Oh no, Lucas is from Firefox, so I'm going to hand this over to Lucas. He'll be able to give us a demo.
Sure. So this device is unique. The UI, everything you see is actually made out of web technology. It's all HTML, JavaScript, CSS. The same thing. There's millions of developers in the world that build on this platform, know how to build applications for this already. And in fact, most have actually built applications for Firefox OS and don't even know it.
Okay, awesome.
So this is a full-feature smartphone. It has email, calendar, has maps from Nokia, has address book integration with Facebook, so this is a full-feature map application. You have a contacts application. The thing about this, you can actually import your Facebook contacts into our address book, and so it gives the ability to, well, probably not the real picture. You can view the profile, you can send them a message or a wall post right from the contacts application.
That's great.
We always have built in a number of applications you expect with any smartphone. We have a really nice music application. This is all local, so just because it's made out of web technologies, it doesn't mean you have to be online to use it. This is all locally installed on your phone, very fast, easy to use.
So we're playing music here. As we said, there's a 3.5mm jack up top. You can plug in your own set of cans in there.
We have also our partners Facebook application, we have a Twitter application, we have a large number of applications already in the marketplace that you can use right out of the box.
Incredible. And would you be able to, when you get a chance, show us that marketplace?
Sure. Actually, I can show you two. There's actually two ways to get applications.
Okay.
So one is you have a marketplace, right? Actually, there's three ways. One, we have a marketplace. In fact, we actually encourage lots of people to build marketplaces. I have as many marketplaces as possible you can use and distribute applications through. Developers can also actually distribute applications directly from their website. They don't have to use your marketplace, we don't force them to do so.
Okay.
So the other thing we actually have done is really powerful is we built in what I call an application discovery engine.
Okay.
So here, for example, is somebody previously did a search for U2, the band. And we know that U2 is a band. So what we do is give you a bunch of results for applications relevant to what you're looking for. These are apps already on the web. These aren't apps that were designed specifically for Firefox OS. In fact, developers when they built it may have no idea what Firefox OS is. But if you look on one of these, say you click on Grooveshark because you're going to check it out, what happens is we load the application. Not only do we get the application and run it for you, we actually take you right into the application right where you're looking for to give you results about U2. This is how the web works. The web gives you the ability to find what you want, click directly into it, use it, without forcing you to install anything first. So this is the opposite of an App Store model. An App Store model forces you to go find like 10 music applications, install all of them, throw out the 8 or 9 of them that you actually don't like and don't do anything, and then those forever clutter up your account.
Absolutely.
So what you can do instead, if you find this, you like it, you love it, you can do is just long press it and add it to your home screen. Now it's installed on your phone.
Brilliant. So in terms of offline access of that app, therefore, after you've installed it on your phone, you've got it offline, correct?
So it depends on the developer. Like we do with distribution of applications, we believe developers have a choice.
Okay.
Some applications can be built to be entirely offline, installed actually as a package, like other applications on other smartphones. Developers can also choose to keep your application entirely online.
Okay.
They can even do a hybrid of the two. You can save part of it onto the phone, and then part of it can go load new data as you go.
Like Facebook, for example.
Exactly.
Okay.
So you have a timeout application that does actually that. If it hasn't been run before, the first thing it'll do is actually prompt you to see if you want to download all of your local attractions. So
Awesome.
if you do, You can download it, save it, or work offline completely. If you don't, then you can say no thanks and keep using it in online mode. It's entirely up to the user and developer and how to build that experience.
Brilliant. So I'm getting a huge sense of openness. As we know, Firefox is a non-for-profit organisation. Now, where can we expect this device to hit the market first?
So we're looking at markets that are really the sort of dynamic, emerging markets around the world where there's a large population of feature phone users. What this really aimed at is somebody who's getting their very first smartphone.
Okay.
So we're looking at Latin America and Central and Eastern Europe as the initial country to be launching in, starting in the summer of this year.
Brilliant. And I personally can see a huge demand for this somewhere like the UK. So will it be reaching other markets as well?
Yes, I mean, we are actively talking to partners in potentially any number of markets. It's also a matter of getting the right devices to the right market, so we figure out the right solution for each market and build it for that market.
Brilliant. So while we don't have a date for that, and there are no current plans to bring it to the UK, they are looking at bringing it to other markets, aside from the emerging dynamic markets that they spoke about. So that has been a quick hands-on with the ZTE Open. Thank you so much, Lucas, for all your help. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to click like, and if you enjoy our channel, just subscribe.